largest buffet place. I will be showing you the restaurant. I'm wearing something very loose क्योंकि काफी खाना खाना है हम लोग को. We are all ready for the battle. We're getting quite late for our destination, so we have to rush now. Guys, so we are here at the barbecue times. ये देखो काफी दूर है, ये गुरुग्राम सेक्टर 51 पे है guys. We have reached at our destination and as you can see, मैं बहुत excited हूँ and see I want everything loose so that I can eat a lot. I will be showing you guys all the things and what they have. I have heard they have around more than 200 plus dishes. साथ ही साथ they have sushi, dim sums and all of those things. Barbecue times है, पैसा खर्चो है. Guys, so we have arrived here, but यहाँ पे काफी भीड़ है, so we had to wait. So we are waiting. It's too cold here. And so guys, this is the menu. So guys, we are ready. क्या तुम ready हो अखिल? So guys, our tandoor is on and we are on.
पुराने दिल्ली के सीख कबाब. आपके लिए पुराने दिल्ली के सीख कबाब. मटन है.
So we have mutton seekh kebab and we have chicken leg piece. Yeah. Good, na? This is actually very good, guys. Chicken leg piece. And we have chicken, fish and prawn. Guys, we have got Mongolian chicken and chicken garlic sauce. Chicken now and this is chicken. I guess this is fish. This is chicken. The previous one was fish. I had chicken and this is prawn. This is Vietnamese roll and this is something. These are sushis.
All agar कौन है?
Taste this as well now.
कौन है तेरा?
Sushi. Bologna. Got all these main course item and a paneer bhi laya because it looked very good, and this is also veg kofta. This is barbecue butter chicken. Biryani. We have lal mans, Akhil's favorite. Are you happy now? Able to eat lal mans. Having biryani. वो barbecue chicken अच्छा है ना? ये barbecue का था. It's good actually. It's more like chicken butter masala. This is kofta. Akhil, taste this. It's a veg item, but it's too good. Na? Even the veg items are so good here. Paneer. Now it's time to taste. lal maans. Let me. The mutton is so soft and delicate. Yes.
Where is that guy?
Now let's go have some desserts. And we had all the desserts. Not all. Plate में जगह नहीं था. We will be refilling this plate actually. Brown. This is the best. The plum cake is actually so good. Apple pie. This is very much average. I did not like it as much, but let's go have some more food. Or jalebi with rabri and gulab jamun. Let's taste gulab jamun.
Try call them not is draw. The other one is good.
Jalebi now. We have pineapple.
Pineapple is worthy.
बारबी मेरे बहुत तंदूर वाला था. This is different. It has caramel. So guys, I will be taking you through the entire menu now. So starting from here, these are the South Indian staples: upma, poha, chili dosa, pizza dosa, SP, vada, and this is vada. And now you can see here we have the street food: pav bhaji, tokri, kachori, gujia, chaat, tikki. And moving ahead, we also have this pani puri session. Let's have some pani puri now. I will be tasting both of these, so let's start with this. Let's take some parcel as well. So after gupchup we have here live sushi, and then this is the cold cut menu. We have rolls, we have something. We have boiled eggs and these many things. We have coffee and we have dim sums. This is their bar. If you want to drink. This is extra. And then this is live music. And then we have these Italian dishes, pasta, burger and counter. And for desserts, we have green apple pie, we have this, we have plum cake, and then red velvet cheesecake, peccatano. We have the brownies. This is black gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, and jalebi. We also have chips and other pickles. We have biryani. Steam rice. We have some chocolate, hot chocolate. से तते मन पकाउला पहिला स्वाद में बताया था भेजा फ्राई मैं लेके आया हूँ वो दिख ही नहीं रहा है। These are the This is the sambar, guys. हाँ? We have cream something. This is very tasty. Plum black gajar ka halwa. It tastes like gajar ka halwa only. Literally, it's very soft. This is kaleji, mutton kaleji, and this is honey mutton. Lal march, heja fry. My coffee is ready. Have watermelon. This is papaya, cucumber, and this is prawn salad, and this is chicken salad. What is this?
Cucumber.
और फ्रूटी माने वाटरी फ्रूट का पैशन फ्रूट हंडी मटन और ग्रीनी लीव्स Guys, because I have not worn any makeup और कुछ ऐसे क्लमजी सा ड्रेस नहीं पहना था, so I was able to eat a lot of things. पहली बार मैंने मेन कोर्स तक ट्राई किया था and we are so full that एक स्टेप चलने की भी अभी बस एनर्जी नहीं बची है बॉडी पे.
Your seat belt for your safety. Thankfully,
हाँ उसो मच गरम तो नहीं. So guys, as you all know, yesterday we have went to barbecue and हम इतने ज़्यादा थक गए थे that I wasn't able to shoot the last part. So overall the price for both of us was somewhere around 1800-1700 कुछ चिल्लर था. So it was around 1800 rupees because Akhil has Zomato Gold. So actually for weekdays the prices for dinner time is 1040 or 1050 plus 18% tax. And but since Akhil had offered 20% off पे मिल गया हमें. Also I would like to say, if you want to save more, you can ask for regular water instead of mineral water bottle. Mineral water bottle is somewhere around 30 rupees. So they do have regular water as well. We opted for mineral water because we didn't knew. And other than this, weekends का price ज़्यादा रहता है, but any which ways काफ़ी भीड़ होता है. एक slot, सारे slots का I do not have idea. 6:30 से 9:30 एक slot रहता है, 1:30 से 3:30, 3:30 से 6:30 I guess. These are the other two options, and the last batch timing is around 9:30 to 11:30. But I would suggest कि सबसे last वाले में मत जाओ because then there will be a lot of rush again. So yeah, that's the update. The second thing is taste wise, mutton के सारे dishes were very yummy and they had a very good मतलब extension of food varieties. But the service was like very hectic, like काफ़ी भाग दौड़ and everything was happening. But anyhow, the service was also good, up to the mark था. Not like barbecue nation where everyone will come, मतलब कोई assigned person आएगा and he will be asking you repeatedly how's the taste. So yes, but the service was okay only. And then the taste, mutton items were very delicious, and desserts, a few desserts were very good, and there are a lot of new desserts as well जो आपने कभी टेस्ट भी नहीं किया होगा, मे भी शायद, because at least मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें टेस्ट नहीं किया था and I've tasted it for the first time. And then there were a lot of things, and quality was good, ambience was good, live music था, service was good, taste was awesome, and the price wise also it was very good. Honestly, अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हो and you see any offer, then you should visit the barbecue time. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So bye guys, I will see you in my next video.